Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. The market is up at the moment, so I hope you're all having a great day so far. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at Heat Biologics, ticker symbol HTBX, and I'll be answering the question if I think they are a buy, a sell, or a hold right now. Now, before I get into the video, I just want to take a moment and say thank you to everyone who has already subscribed to my channel and for hitting the like button on previous videos. I really appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, I like to find short-term and long-term trading and investing opportunities in typically lower-priced stocks. I like to look for diamonds in the rough, undervalued, underappreciated stocks with high growth potential, as well as all other things finance-related. Now, if that's something that interests you, please subscribe so you don't miss any future trading and investing ideas. Also, I am not a financial advisor, so please do all of your research before buying any of these stocks. Heat Biologics has been red hot and is yet another company that is trying to develop a COVID vaccine. Heat Biologics is a pharmaceutical company developing potential first-in-class immunotherapy products. Now, if we go over to their product pipeline, we can see they're still in the very early stages of the approval processes with only their HS110 cell therapy beyond phase 1. Their HS110 is their most promising long-term product, which in clinical trials, data points to the possibility of improved survival rates in NSCLC patients. And NSCLC stands for non-small cell lung cancer, and it's one of the two major types of lung cancers out there. But what has investors all jazzed up at the moment is the potential of their COVID vaccine. It's only in the preclinical stages right now, but of course a working vaccine has the potential to be worth billions in revenue, and if Heat Biologics gets only a small slice of that, in my opinion, it would send the share price massively higher because of the financial lift it would give to this very small cap company. A few weeks ago, Heat Biologics announced its vaccine passed a crucial proof-of-concept animal study, and this looks to have paved the way for early-stage human trials and should get them additional grant funding. Alright, so let's get into the charts. Heat Biologics had a very nice run in July, hitting a high of $4.30 on July 21st, but reversed that day and has been fading down ever since. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know right about now is when I like to buy these types of stocks. I did a video about this pattern, and I'll link it in the description if you want to watch it. But after the fade down, I like to start buying around the 50-period simple moving average or the blue line on the chart, and that's about where it is right now. Now, if I back the chart out a little bit, you can see HTBX has had a relatively small accumulation base. But because of the excitement around the vaccine and because these types of stocks are in play, we're going to give them a pass on that for now. But there looks to be a very nice support area just below price in the $1.35 range. And if I zoom in, you can see we're getting pretty close to that, and I expect price to be in that area in the next couple of days or so if it keeps falling. So in conclusion, if price falls to this area, I'm going to be a buyer because I think this trade offers a very nice risk reward that I'm comfortable with. And I think it should get a very nice move up soon if it does hit this level. Okay, folks, that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to put this video out quickly because HTBX could be hitting this buy zone in the next day or so, and I wanted you all to have some time to think about it if it fits your own risk parameters. And I also wanted to get your feedback on it as well. So let me know in the comments section if you think this could be a good trade or if you think I missed something on the charts. And also, if any of you have been following this company closely, let me know in the comments if you have any info on the vaccine or anything else about Heat Biologics. I'd love to hear more about this company. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching my video, and until next time, take care, everybody.